Okay, so here's the Avanti door. You just see up there that there's two tracks, so only the first of the four rollers follow the lower track, and the last roller sits up there. Same on the other side, so that follows the upper track in here, and the rest of them come down here. Okay, so the motor unit is two-part. There's this bit, and oh, there's my pliers, and there's this bit, and you can see here how this has been sitting in water, so I'm kind of lucky that the thing works. This is the part I need, which is the release, the emergency power out release. The open limiter is there, so that can be moved up and down, and this rail carries 24 volts, and the return is on, I believe, the chain that you can just see in there. Okay, so in operation. It's not so bad. There's the rollers following the lower track. And the reason it didn't is because there's a milk crate there, which brings in a stalling mechanism in case you happen to shut the thing on your car or on a kid. So without that, the thing should close fairly normally. And there go the rollers in the lower track, and the last one goes up there. There's the preloader. Okay, you can somehow see better on this side how that last roller follows the upper track, and the first four come down here. Don't think there's much more than that I can tell. It's Avanti, it's about 12 years old. Okay.